All right, what's going on, folks? Ontarian Hawkins here, passive income guru. Hope you guys are doing well. Um, we want to do this video here because I saw a comment on one of my videos that someone wanted to see how to use the Menara for Eaconomy. As you guys know, Eaconomy is a Forex trading company that teaches you how to trade. It gives you the necessary tools that you need to trade. And not only that, but there's a lot more that comes to the economy. There's also signals and a whole plethora of information. So before I get into what else we have in economy, let's go to the Menara. I'm going to show you what I look for with this particular tool. And hopefully this helps you guys to understand that this tool is pretty like I say, it's pretty precise, pretty good. Loving it. So let's go ahead and get into this. I'm going to share my screen real quick. Let's see, share. All right, so as you guys see, this is the Menara right here. So two of my favorite pairs, two of my favorite patterns on the Menara, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be the deep crab, which is the deep crab right here. And I like the bat as well. Okay, you see it change colors. So you got deep crab, which is this right here. Now this is the hour chart. This is the NAS 100, my favorite index to trade. The NAS 100. Okay. And as you can see here, we have a setup. Okay. Not only that, but this is also painting what's called a double bottom. If this candle right here continues to drop here, there's a structure. There's a structure here. So you see, the great thing about the Menara, guys, it's going to give you the coordinates. Okay. You see how it also follows the coordinates. So it started with X and it went up to A. You see the market went up. Okay. And then it got to A and the market went down. It got to B, the market went up. And then we have, I love these we had a big impulse move. So usually when it gets to C, there's usually a big impulse move, either up or down, usually down. So boom, it went down. And then after a impulse move, there's usually a correction. And one of my favorite things to do in the market is to catch those corrections, guys. So as you can see, we're at D. We have an entry point here. Okay. We have a stop loss here as well. Now we have some structure here. As you can see here, this is support at the D zone. And you see price is still trying to push down here. Now, if you were looking at this trade, of course, you wouldn't jump in right now, okay? Because we still have price pushing down from the previous impulse move down, okay? So it's trying to form structure here. What I will look for, and you see our entry right here. This is our entry. It's past our entry right now. So this is a trade that I wouldn't get in. I would have probably got in somewhere around here and rolled it up here and got out somewhere around here. And once I saw the market kind of rejecting this price. But right now, market is pushing down, and we'll see what happens. Now, does the coordinates and everything, the entry point and the targets, does it win all the time? Do you lose? Yeah, there's losses, guys. This tool is about 80% accurate, which is pretty darn good. Okay, pretty darn good. And if you can get in and catch the small moves, especially when it comes to indices, if you're scalping, you know, you're looking to get in and get out of the market, you can do very well with this too. I got a couple of people that has already joined me in this, and they're loving it, guys. They are loving this tool called the Menara. Okay. Let's look at another pair. Let's look at GBPUSD. Outside of indices, this is probably my other favorite one to trade. Let's look at the 4-hour chart here. So you see GBP has been pushing down heavily. Let's go to the daily here. Okay, deep crab. So you see it actually, it came here. You see the impulse move from C, came up, came down, and then it plummeted, and then it found a support at D, and then it came up. This is the daily, guys. This was a lot of pips right here. Came up, and then it dropped back down. Okay, so it actually did what it was supposed to do right here on the daily chart. Came back, came up, hit target 1, and it hit target number 2. This is on the daily. And now it's on a huge downtrend, as we can see. Okay, usually GBP and EURUSD follow the same kind of pattern. Same thing here. Now on the daily, EURUSD is almost set up. It's almost there, but we still have some push down, as you can see from this rejection candle right here. What you call the bulls are trying to push up, but the bears are in control still here. They've been in control for a long time. You see this big impulse move. Again, when you see this big impulse move in the market, as you can see, the coordinates are there on the deep crab. There always needs to be some type of correction, which is what we're waiting on. Okay, that's what we're waiting on. All right, so that's what I look for. You know, I get questions from people who ask me what time frames I look at. I look at all the time frames. You know, I'm looking for a setup. Here's the 4-hour for the deep crab. On the 4-hour crab, you see it hasn't hit our entry just quite yet. Okay, so it's still playing in this area. It's a lot of consolidation here. We're looking for the price to come up here to our entry 1.089 and close above the entry. Once it does that, I think we're off to the races. We'll come up to target number 1. And many times with this too, guys, you don't need to just go to TP1, go to target number 1. You'll be just fine. And then target number 2 is just a bonus. But shoot for target number 1. And go from there. Okay, but yeah, this is not ready yet. As you can see, there's consolidation still respecting this area here, which is the 1.09314 area of resistance. But price, you see, there's a lot of support here, but there's a lot of consolidation too. So it formed a bearish flag as well. So maybe still be pushing down, but we're looking for it to go up. Okay, but guys, that's what I look for. Okay, that's all I look for. I look at Nas. Again, you can trade any pair here, any pair you want to, in with Menara. You can trade stocks. Let's see, Apple. I mean, they even got Apple. You can trade Apple, guys. Anything you want to trade, you can trade with Menara. Okay, powerful tool. So inside of Eaconomy, guys, again, we have more than just Forex. We have crypto. We have a tool called Hercules. For those of you who want to learn about Hercules, you're going to get the information here. Hercules is pretty cool because this is what it does. It says the ultimate cryptocurrency buddy, except he's not human. It was created to help the brand new to advanced crypto traders. How can you get the most out of Hercules? It's simple. Watching this training video below, we'll go over Hercules, guys. So this tool is more like a your way of knowing how, when, and when to get in the crypto market and when to get out, guys. This tool will help you tremendously. Okay, you got crypto ECA, which is the education, right? You're going to learn a lot of education on crypto. We even have stocks, guys, eminence. Okay, we have Telegram groups that you can join that's going to give you trade ideas on the stock market. So this goes beyond Forex, guys. This is really, I call it the big three: Forex, crypto, and stocks. I mean, where else do you need to go to tap into you know, a platform that's going to help you generate passive income and to get the education at the same time? It's really a win-win situation. You guys know that I'm all about diversification. I'm all about you know, getting you guys information that's going to help you make passive income as well. Now, also, PS, and by the way, there's also a we also have a crypto, I mean, not a crypto, but a Forex trading software as well, guys, that trades for you hands-free. Okay, the name of it is called Athena. Athena trades for you hands-free, guys. Very conservative. It's very accurate. You know what? It's one of the best ones I've seen out there as far as its accuracy goes. Now, here's the thing about Athena. If you're in the United States, there's a way that we have to sign you up to get Athena. So if you're listening to this video, you want automation as well as the education, just reach out to me personally and we'll get you started. There's a way we have to get you started if you want the automation. Now, if you're international, you can go ahead and just, you know, sign up and be okay. Okay, so that's about it, ladies and gentlemen. My next videos, I'm going to go into just everything else that I'm doing. You guys, I've been sharing it several times, my other opportunities, kind of give you updates on those. And I'm also looking at a crypto software that also is coming out as well, guys. So be on the lookout for that, a crypto automation software that trades for you. Just put your money in and let the crypto bot do its thing. You know, that should be pretty good. So you guys know I'm always doing research. I'm always looking ahead to see what opportunities you guys can just plug into and let your money work for you. That's really what it comes down to in the end. But you want to learn this. You want to learn this Forex skill, and the Menara is going to give you the tool. This tool is going to help ease everything, guys, when it comes to your trading. Once you learn the basics inside of Eaconomy, you understand what certain things are in the economy. You can come over to the tool and just and put it into action, guys. Okay, start with a demo account. Don't use your real money at first. Start with a demo. Be consistent. And a lot of people think you got to look at the charts all day in Forex. That's not true. You can be done in and out in the markets in less than 15 to 30 minutes. Simple, especially when you're trading indices like NAS. You can be in and out of the market 15 to 30 minutes. 15 minutes, 30 minutes is actually a little long. You can be in and out in 5 to 10 minutes, if that, and be done with your day. Okay, that's how fast it can happen. So the notion that you have to look at the markets, the charts all day that's not true. So don't listen to anybody that tells you that. All right, guys. So that's my time. Again, thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys had a good weekend. It's been a trying week for me so far already. I had a loss. One of our brothers passed away yesterday, so it's been a little tough. for me and my family and our church congregation. Just dealing with that. So, but you know, still got to keep pushing. You know, still got to keep going. But that's all we do. One of the things that as far as Forex profits, what I like to do with my Forex profits, I diversify. Of course, I pay some bills, but I use a chunk of that money to diversify, guys, to put it in other vehicles that that I can, you know, grow my money with. Okay, so that's about it, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. I'm going to leave some information below this video for you guys to get started. If you got any questions, reach out to me on Facebook, and looking forward to working with you. Okay, talk to you guys soon. Have a great day.